Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
73. It was very difficult to find jobs in the northeast of England, and when John lost his, he found it impossible to get a new one. He had soon spent all his money, so he decided to go down to the south of the country, where he had heard that things were better, and that it was easier to find work. The best way to go was by train, so he went to the railway station and got into a train which was going to London. He was the only passenger in his compartment when another man burst in carrying a gun and said to him, "Your money, or your life." "I haven't got a penny," John answered in fright. "Then why are you trembling so much?" the man with the gun asked angrily. "Because I thought you were the ticket collector, and I haven't even got a ticket," answered John. Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.